I'm Steve Bowen from PV Bicycle Center. Today we're going to talk about the 2013 Specialized Sirrus. The Sirrus line of bikes is what we call a hybrid or a road hybrid or a flat bar road bike. The bike is designed to be a casual bike that can be ridden in a lot of different situations. That's still relatively fast like a road bike, lightweight, versatile, wider range of gearing. Just easy to get into, especially for someone getting into cycling as an adult or returning to cycling. Doesn't want a full-blown road bike, or maybe wants to ride a little bit off on some dirt trail, things like that. First of all, let's talk about the frame set on this. This is an aluminum frame set, and it uses the latest technologies in aluminum frame building. First of all, it's made out of what Specialized calls E5 aluminum. That's their proprietary brand of aluminum, and it's the highest grade aluminum that they use. Same aluminum that was used in their very high-end road bikes before they started making carbon fiber. If you take a look at the shape of these tubes, it's really very unusual. First of all, let's look at the down tube. If you look, it's got kind of a teardrop shape. So the down tube is taller here and skinnier here. And it's wider down the bottom, and then it gets skinnier in this dimension. So what all that means is it gives the bike the ride characteristics that the designers want. Lightweight, strong, efficient, so it transfers a lot of your pedaling energy directly into the drivetrain. At the same time, you want a bike that doesn't transmit a lot of road shock into your body or make you fatigued because the ride is so stiff, the material is so stiff. So they've taken aluminum and they've tube-shaped it by using a process called hydroforming, which is where you put a balloon of water in the aluminum when it's soft enough to work, and they can create these amazing shapes. The tube shape varies. It's thicker toward the front, where the bike would tend to flex a little more at the head tube. You've got a very sturdy, thick head tube, oversized bearings in that. Then as it goes back, it gets thinner and flatter. This part of the bike really doesn't carry much load. The main characteristic here that we want is to save weight and also to give a little bit of up and down flex to make the ride more comfortable. It's desirable to have a little bit of vertical flex as opposed to the horizontal flex, which wastes your power. Take a look at the rear triangle of the bike, which is the chain stays and the seat stays. Again, very sophisticated tube shaping going on here, some curving going on. Makes the rear triangle strong, gives you a lot of control. You don't want that rear wheel flexing, especially on a fast downhill where it would give you a loss of control. At the same time, if you hit an obstacle, pothole or something like that, you don't want that road shock immediately going up into your body. It's painful and it tires you out on a long ride. You can also see the bowed shape of the chain stays. Also very thick this way, thin if you look at it from the top dimension. Again, that allows the bike to flex a little bit where it doesn't affect the energy loss in the bike, but makes the bike more comfortable. So this is the Elite model. It's got aluminum frame but with a carbon fiber fork. Carbon fiber reduces the weight of the fork a little bit. Also allows them to make a very stiff fork without adding a lot of weight, and it also absorbs a lot of road shock. The rear is mitigated by the shaping of the tubes here, and the front shock absorption is handled by this carbon fiber fork. Again, very sophisticated engineering, borrowed from high-end road bikes. Specialized uses proprietary material called Zertz. It's an elastomer that's tuned to absorb high-frequency vibrations. And most of our modern road surfaces, even a newly paid one, if you look at it closely, has little ripples in it, little imperfections. And those things on a lightweight road bike will set up vibration in the thin tubes that you won't necessarily hear, but it's transmitted to your body, and it helps to add to fatigue level on a long ride. So I'll be adding these elastomers in the fork that tunes out some of the high frequency vibrations from the road without making the bike feel completely dead. So this bike is just fun to ride. It's got a triple crank, wide range of gearing, easy to use rapid fire shifters, traditional V brakes, Comes with the 28C tires, but you can put racing tires on it. 23 if you want to go faster. You can put up to a 30, probably 38C width tire, cyclocross tires if you wanted. Do a little dirt riding. My bike will handle it just fine.